You are going to love the 2025 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.